Why are more marketers not talking about this holiday hack? HighLevel is making it rain automation just in time for your break. Grab 50% off and start the new year like a boss. Let's be real. Holidays are for cocoa and ugly sweaters, not chasing leads or drowning in DMs. HighLevel is your all-in-one holiday miracle with AI-powered automation that handles follow-ups, bookings, and client management, while you binge your favorite holiday movies. This week only, new users skip the trial and score 50% off their first 3 months. Already on board? Upgrade or switch to annual and get 50% off your next 3 months or 25% off your yearly plan. Unlimited plan, folks. It's time to go pro and supercharge your automation. Promo starts Monday, December 22nd at 8 a.m. Pacific and ends Sunday, December 28th at midnight sharp. Don't let the clock run out. Start 2026 with more time, more freedom, and way more growth. Click below, claim your 50% off, and let HighLevel do the heavy lifting this holiday.